Morning. It is day 2 of stage 4 lockdown here in Melbourne. I'm on my daily bike ride because life is a lot different right now in Melbourne. If you're not aware, we have now entered one of the most severe lockdowns in the world right now in Melbourne. We've seen a huge spike in COVID cases paired with a genuine, good faith response effort from the government. Something that people are saying it's not okay to go out. It's not okay to continue going to retail shops. And so all of our retail is now closed. No one is allowed to leave the house unless it's for an essential service, and the government has deemed what the essential services are. Medical, for example. Not even construction. Buildings have to stop being built. Retail shops have to close. Just grocery stores open. And we are not allowed to leave our house except for this time I'm out right now, the 1 hour a day of exercise. We have to be wearing our masks. I do have my mask with me. I'm just literally taking a quick break from my bike ride, which is only allowed to be 1 hour, maximum of 1 hour allowed outside. It is a wild time to be alive right now. But also I'm finding that this time is giving a bit more focus for myself to think about the fact that we are living in unprecedented times. In the times when we have the football, Australian rules football, going on, as well as NBA and Major League Baseball, and people are still going clothes shopping, I feel like there is a willingness to not to ignore the fact that we are in the middle of a global crisis, that we are in the middle of history, that this is the World War II moment for our generation. And while it's really deeply frustrating to not be able to see my family and friends, to have to shut down essentially my business, it also is a little bit of a relief to be acknowledging the madness that is going on. What does this mean for Depot? Well, our little walking tour company is for now on hold. We'll be back eventually when we can be. But we're also thinking a little bit more about video events. How can we operate virtual events? How can we use our abilities as tour guides to give us essential service, which is needed? Obviously, we're not going to be going out in public, but something that we are naturally really good at is interacting with groups of people. And so something that we're working on right now is a project to help people who are working from home stay more connected with their teams by offering online office Olympics, and you'll hear more about that in the coming days. In the meantime, I'm trying to prepare my spaceship Earth. I'm going to link this in the video below, because if you're struggling right now with lockdown, I would highly encourage you to go watch this video by CGP Grey. He's an excellent YouTuber, and he talked about treating this time like we're on a spaceship and we have to look after our bodies. I am now on day 2 of my exercise regimen, of my hour of exercise on the bike every day. It's not something I've done in a long time. I used to bike to work, then I got lazy. My butt hurts like you wouldn't believe because I'm so out of shape. But what else am I going to do? I'm already spending too much time on the couch watching Netflix and TV. I need to use the 1 hour that I've got to go out. So today, hour of exercise. Actually, a lot of the restrictions don't kick in until Wednesday, so I will be going to Bunnings today before they closed for 6 weeks to buy an office chair to get me through, and a space heater, both things that I need to make it through the rest of the winter, and then hunkering down and getting ready to have a very new existence. In the meantime, stay safe out there, everybody. I hope that you're looking after yourselves, not just physically, but mentally. Look for help. Call a friend if you need it. Ask a friend to call you if you can't do that. In the meantime, enjoy what is a stunningly, deceptively beautiful day in Melbourne. You'd have no idea, you didn't know what day it was, that we were in the middle of a global pandemic. Thank you, and stay safe.